Alright, in this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of the speedrun clips I got from Armageddon 2024.
Worry about him hooking up.
And then I'll also show you guys the last bashing clip that I got.
Nice. All right, y'all, the tracks you're going to see here, or the videos you're going to see, are just clips from the Armageddon 2024 speedrun. I don't know the specs on the cars in each one of the cars. Of course, some of them you can tell limitless is all that, but I don't know the exact specs on. I didn't get the top speeds on every car, but the top speed was, I believe, 104 for this air right here. So let me quit my yapping and go ahead and let these play.
It's definitely faster.
Yeah. You worry about him hooking up? There you go.
Going for 104, beating that 104, let's get it.
There you go. You got it. Oh! Almost had it. Keep it on. There you go.
And go.
You want to do that, Willie? Better hit it. Oh!
And stop. Go get it. I got the board. Okay. And stop. Good.
Oh! You better go.
He's not geared up. He's not geared up.
High speed record.
Balloon City.
You can hear it ballooning and trying to grip it.
I know. Balloon City.
He still had more left.
Come your way. Wherever you are, buddy. You're ready. And stop.
Okay, I think I'm back on the thing.
Knew that was gonna happen. I did not get that one.
All right, sir.
Her first jump at Armageddon with the Arrma Gorgon. Let's hope she gets it. She got it. Yeah. Her first jump here. She's on the bashing track. And she is enjoying this. Let me get up close to get your donuts.
Y'all can hear the joy in her laughter. She is enjoying. She is enjoying that. There it is. Let's get a quick acceleration off to end the video. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, right to me. All right, y'all. He is gonna bring this out. He's gonna run it. We're gonna see what he's gonna do. Nobody else is out, so I can get a little bit closer. I won't have to worry about getting hit in the head. Nice. Nice.
Oh, I missed.
I do that every time. So, hey, see y'all, it's not just me. See? Y'all think it's me. I do that too, so. See, so y'all, they can't say nothing. It's not just me.
It's hard to tell where you're at.
Just don't do it on the big ramp.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, man.
I got you.
The JT guy from the internet?
Yeah, I'm jayteerc. Yeah, I don't show my face that much, and so now it's like, yeah, everybody's saying that. Nice. Yeah, I don't show myself that much. I should, but we got another one over here too running. He's landing it, y'all. We got another one rolling. That's who?
That's my girlfriend, Shirley.
Hey, Shirley. See, she's like me. We got umbrellas. She's over here. Yeah, I'll be big Arnold Schwarzenegger when I get back home, holding this fan. Holding this up from the phone.
Yeah.
So,
Where are you from, actually?
Atlanta.
Oh, Atlanta?
Yeah. Let's see. She's gonna try to hit that ramp for the first time. She almost got it. She likes to do those donuts. You guys can hear the joy in their voice from running these. He's getting those jumps. Uh-oh. Creating forest out here. Glue. We need better glue. His tire came out. Came unglued. Boom. Ooh, boom. That's jumping good though.
I don't have much place to go around it where they're building houses and stuff.
And find it, yeah. I don't blame you.
I don't have any cool ramps like this around my place. I need to build one.
Do a lot of donuts with that one. Wow. 3. Uh-oh. I think your battery came out. Uh-oh. Hold on. Let's get the close-up. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Oh. Yeah. Your battery came out. Yeah. Yeah, I see.
6 cents. Blew the tires.
Blew the tires out.
Oh.
All right. Get it fixed and bring it back, I guess.
Time to go get the Outcast 4S. That's actually on 4S.
There you go. All right, we'll be out here.
All right, y'all, that's going to be all the footage. I did get a little bit of this, I guess it was the bashing session or whatever for this, or the freestyle, I'm sorry. But I only got like one clip, and this is kind of the layout. I mean, I got a couple others, but they just weren't shot that well or whatever. But anyway, this is the freestyle session. This is just one of the longer clips that I have of it. You guys see they kind of have that set up there. But all in all, it was a pretty good weekend. It was the first time doing this, so I know I've seen some of you guys' comments, but it was the first time doing it. It's also a learning experience. A lot of people out there that were there had fun. So don't criticize too much if you weren't there to actually have fun and communicate with other people there. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and you guys stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.